Hello everyone, I'm Crystal Shepard, the organizer for today's homeownership event. Thank you all so much for coming. It was an extremely successful event.
Hi, my name is Shaquilla. This is my first time here. I just want to say that it was very informative and I'm glad that I attended.
Thank you to the Miami-Dade County government for the awesome program they had today here at the Westchester Library.
My name is Randy. I enjoyed this workshop. I learned so much today. Everyone was very knowledgeable, very respectable.
You know, living in Miami-Dade County, oftentimes people are so discouraged because the housing market and the prices are so high. But just to be able to bring resources to our residents so that they know that their dream of becoming a homeowner is attainable. We have down payment assistance. We have lenders that will help you. We have home buying counseling agencies that will walk you through the process.
We can help you by giving you a list of approved lenders for the programs, or we can help you submit your file to get pre-approved.
The dream of homeownership is alive and well. And the first step is starting with a company like myself, Universal Mortgage, or any other mortgage company that you feel comfortable with. It's very, very important that you trust your mortgage lender. My name is Brandon, and most importantly, before I let you go, you also got to start with the county. They got Rockstar program.
We want to make sure that every resident in Miami-Dade County goes from becoming a renter to becoming a homeowner. It is our responsibility to make sure that everyone has the ability to do that. Just to see people feel like their dream is not one that needs to be deferred, but it's something that they can actually take the steps to walk towards. That's probably the most rewarding part for me.